In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from your Dropbox account. Whether you're trying to free up space or just doing some housekeeping, understanding how to efficiently manage your files on Dropbox is a crucial skill. Let's dive right into it. When you first log into your Dropbox account, you'll land on your Dropbox homepage. Here, you can see a summary of your most recent activity and other account features. What you'll need to do is focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar where you've got various options. Locate and click on the All Files tab. This will direct you to a comprehensive view of all the files and folders stored in your Dropbox. It's like opening your filing cabinet and seeing everything laid out in front of you. Once inside the All Files section, you're presented with everything available in your account. This view can be a little overwhelming if you've got lots of files, but it's also a good reminder to stay organized. Now, let's say you've spotted a file or folder that you no longer need. To proceed with deleting it, direct your attention to the name of the file or the folder in question. Beside it, you will notice a tiny icon that looks like 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Give that a click. Upon interacting with these 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various actions you can take with the file or folder. It's really handy since it contains options for sharing, renaming, moving, and of course deleting. Our focus is to delete, so you'll simply want to scroll down this menu and locate the Delete option. Click on Delete, and the system will ask you to confirm this action, ensuring you don't remove anything by accident. Once you've confirmed deletion, your file won't vanish completely. Instead, it will be moved to a special place within your account known as the Deleted Files section. Essentially, Dropbox gives you a safety net here, allowing you to change your mind. Files remain in this section for up to 30 days. So, if you realize that you've deleted something vital, you've got up to a month to restore it. And there you have it, an easy way to manage your Dropbox files and ensure your storage stays clutter-free. These steps streamline the process, making file management more effective, and you can continue focusing on what matters. Remember, maintaining your digital storage is just as important as keeping your physical space tidy. Happy organizing, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.